channel. Hope you're doing fine. This is a glamorous, bold Indian witch Halloween makeup look. And you know, Halloween cannot be completed without a witch. So this video is suggested by one of my subscriber, Tanvi Thakur. Thanks Tanvi for suggesting such video. And I have put lots of effort in creating this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. So my name is Teesta. So let's start this gorgeous glamorous makeup look. I hope you'll like it. So here I'm starting with my eyes. I'm applying a compact powder, then I am applying a light brown color all over my eyelid, and I'm going to create a dark smoky eyes and applying the same color all over my eyelid. So first I'm applying little by little, then I'm going to increase the density of the color. So here I am applying the darkest brown color from the Wet n Wild palette, and I'm adding it and blending it. I have applied a little max gel liner, just a little, just to smoke out the smoky effect. So I'm using the brown eyeshadow under my eye, under my eyes. Then I am using a gel liner from the MAC same brand. I'm going to create a thick wing liner. So it's a beautiful thick wing liner. So after that I'm just using the same gel liner under my waterline. Then I'm using a L'Oreal mascara. This is the fake lash mascara. Then I'm going to curl my lashes. So now I'm moving towards my face. I'm using primer. Always apply primer before starting your face maker. It will make your makeup for longer duration. Now I'm going to color correct. I'm using a MAC concealer. I'm applying it on my eyes, nose area and my mouth area. I'm just going to color correct before applying foundation because this makeup is not much heavy with the base. So I'm applying concealer just to color correct and blending it. So after color correcting, I'm going to apply my Lotus foundation all over my face. After applying, I'm going to blend it with help of a brush. So I have applied not much product, I have applied little product because I don't want a heavy base for this makeup. Just going to set my face with help of a press powder. So after setting my face, I'm using a bronzer. This is the area where I have to apply the bronzer. So in my cheekbones, I'm going to apply a lot of bronzer to have such sculpted witch look. So I'm just going to bronze my nose. I'm not going to blend too much, so I'm just blending with help of the brush second edge and blending it while applying it. So after blending my contour with help of a brush, I'm going to apply highlighter on my cheeks and high point of my face, chin and nose. Now I am filling my eyebrows. I'm just going to mix the gel liner and the powder to fill my eyebrows. So I'm just going with the light stroke first and not going to apply lots of product at the same time. I'm just going to start with little by little. So after that, I'm using a black shadow under my eyes to make my eyes more thick. So here I applied the fake lashes and a white liner. This is from the brand Doll from the Amazon. I will give this link in the description box. For the lips, I'm using a bullet brown lipstick from the brand Biotic. First, I'm going to outline it with the help of a bullet. You can definitely go with the lip brush, but I'm using a bullet. I'm showing you a hack here. So if you don't have lip brush or lip liner, you can apply lipstick like this to outline your lips. So I'm just going to fill a little with this bullet lipstick. Then I'm going to lip brush. I'm correcting the edges. After applying this brown lipstick, I'm going to add a Nikavik black lipstick. I'm adding little by little and making this brown color dark. So this is a blackish brown lipstick. So here I have changed my whole attire. I hope you like this video.